What's Gadgets Beast Gamer CR here. Today we are gonna be playing Slime Rancher. These are Saber Slimes. I just demolished the plot. And if you're wondering what this flower here is, I'll show you in a second. And those are rad. You already know my slimes. You already know slimes. The two people who I talk to in different places. No. Nothing's there. Nothing's there. But wait. Look. Look. It's a drone. I just got him and he has scratches all over his face. This is the normal bee drone. There are different types of drones. There are the normal gray drone. There are the gray drones. There are the bee drones. And I'm pretty sure there's blue drones. I'm not sure. And there are dressed up drones that you can dress them up, I'm pretty sure. So you can dress them up. Sorry about the noises in the background. So you can dress them up, I think. So once I do this, I'll show you. I told him to grab any type of book. He can grab every single type of book. So my max is 50 right now. I can max it up to 100, but I'm not going to right now. I'm gonna put a bunch of those chew berries in there. Berries in there. Cube berries, not chew berries. And then he should wake up. He's going. I told him to grab any type of work. I think he's gonna grab the sabers first. Nope, I was wrong. Wait, is that right? Yes, I was right. I should have told him to get some from the collectors. I think they said right. Yeah, I can't. He's going to get some from the fort collector. And I got some got stuck in the fort collection. Might as well cut these up, but he's only going to be doing it in the fort collection. Oh, hold it. Because I didn't know. I have to. Oh, bonk. A bonk. A bonk. A bonk. A bonk. And all that money just going straight. Wait, maybe you can put forks. sometimes makes me laugh, or sometimes I just get angry. There. Oh, I didn't know I had that. I have a torch like that. Free money! It's like getting free money, but from your drone, like just throwing money all over your house. Time to burn my eyes. Is there any baby hens or baby blind hens or any baby roosters or roosters? I don't know their names. Became old. I would guess he got a torch from there. Oh, not yet. Thank you. It's not like I need those porks, because I don't need the porks. This is like the safest way to get your rag slime porks. Just ask your bee to do it. Just ask your bee to do it. I wish these guys ate. I'm gonna put like a ton of these like everywhere. I wanna put them everywhere. He's selling all of them. Where are you going next? I actually don't know. I think he has gotten everything right besides the my bee do this a lot. Oh. Veggies and auto feeders. Oh no. Oh no. Wait. I need like a fruit spot. Wait. There must be like one more spot. Oh, you're going to your bed. You're going to your flower. You're going to your flower. This was really long. Wait! Huh? It's supposed to look like a tar, but it's a scarecrow. I'm just gonna put like 100 of those. Enjoy 100 of those. I need more than one of these, so I can leave one of them. Okay, I'm about to run out. I do not smell anything! Waiting for my flower to. I need my bee. I have taken your spot. Now you cannot lay down. Imagine he just pushes me. He is about to push me. I bet he's about to push me. When he goes to lay down, he's gonna push me. I bet he's gonna push me. He's gonna push me. He's gonna run over here and push me. He's definitely gonna run over here and push me. Okay, they ate. I want to see my bee push me. Push me. Push me. A quick new buck. Yeah, from my helper. From my bee. You're gonna push me, aren't you? Okay, he's not strong enough, I guess. So, by the way, I'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications. I will see you guys later. Bye!